Hey there, and welcome. Today we're going to do something kind of cool. We're going to take a super simple math puzzle and use it to unlock this powerful secret for getting the absolute best results in, well, pretty much any situation. It's way simpler than you think, and it all kicks off with one big question.
I mean, really think about it for a sec. We've all got limits, right? Time, energy, money, you name it. So the real question is, how do you use what you've got to get the biggest bang for your buck? Should you go all in on just one thing, or is it smarter to spread your bets? So to figure this out, we're not going to get bogged down in a bunch of complicated theories. Nope. Instead, we're just going to play a little numbers game. And I really hope you play along here, because I have a feeling the answer is going to surprise you.
That's it. That is literally the only rule. Just pick two numbers that add up to 10. Super simple, right?
Okay, so what are our options here? Well, we could go for the total extremes, right? 0 and 10. Or we could dial it back a little with 1 and 9, or 2 and 8. And as we get closer and closer to the middle, we've got 3 and 7, 4 and 6, and then boom! The most balanced pair you can get, 5 and 5. Okay, now here's where it gets interesting. This is the real question. If we multiply the two numbers in each of those pairs, which one do you think is going to give us the biggest results? Go on, take a guess. Just make a quick prediction in your head. Are you betting on the extremes or the super balanced pair in the middle? You got it? All right.
Okay, enough guessing. Let's actually run the numbers and see what's what. It's time to find out what the math really says and see which one of these pairs comes out on top.
All right, let's start with the most extreme pair. 0 times 10 is, well, it's 0. Not exactly a big win there. Okay, how about 1 and 9? That gets us 9. A little better. Moving in, 2 times 8 gives us 16. 3 times 7 is 21. You seeing the pattern here? The result just keeps getting bigger. 4 times 6 gets us to 24, which leads us to our final perfectly balanced pair, 5 times 5.
And wow, when you see it like this on a chart, it's just so obvious. I mean, it's not even a competition. The numbers start out low, climb steadily, and then, wham, a huge peak right smack in the middle. You can't argue with that pattern. The winner is crystal clear. And there you have it, 25. That's the highest number we can possibly get. And it only came from one specific pair.
And that right there, that's the big aha moment. See? The extreme choice didn't win. Not even close. It was the most balanced, right down the middle option, 5 and 5. The most moderate choice gave us the absolute maximum result. So this is where it gets really, really cool. This little numbers game, it's not just a cute party trick. It's actually showing us a powerful, universal principle, one that goes way beyond just adding and multiplying numbers. Let's actually give this a name. We'll call it the moderation principle. And the idea is actually super simple. Anytime you're dealing with a fixed total, whether it's two numbers that add up to 10, or the 24 hours in your day, or even your monthly budget, avoiding those extreme choices and picking a more balanced path is what usually gets you the best possible outcome. The source material we're looking at today just nails it with this quote. It's such a deep idea, but it's hidden in this really simple math. Moderation isn't about being boring or average. It's actually the secret to getting the highest efficiency. Okay, but why does any of this matter to you? I mean, who cares about a little numbers game, right? Well, you should care because this principle, it can totally change the way you make decisions in your everyday life. So here's what I want you to take away from all this. First, think of this as a mental model you can actually use. When you're facing a choice, just ask yourself about the moderation principle. Second, and this is a big one, remember that extreme choices, going all in on one thing and completely ignoring another, they're almost never the best path. I mean, the math literally showed us they can give you a result of 0. And finally, remember that finding that sweet spot, that balance in the middle, that's often the real secret to getting the biggest results.
So I'll leave you with this final thought. Take a look at your own life, your work, your health, maybe your relationships. Where are you picking the extremes? Where are you going for that 0 and 10? And where could a little more balance, a little more of that 5 and 5 approach be waiting to unlock a way bigger, way better result for you? Thanks for digging into this with us today.